Ready?
This place is crazy.
Crazy. Look at how amazing it is now. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
We are on our way to Magic Kingdom today. We have our first lightning lane. We're going to Pirates.
The Caribbean?
Yeah. We're taking the ferry to Magic Kingdom. We're in. And we're off to Pirates of the Caribbean. Ready?
This place is crazy.
Crazy. Christmassy. How pretty. There it is. We made it to Pirates. This ride was closed when we went to Disneyland, so this is the first time the kids are riding it. Slow down, hurry up. Here we go, Pirates of the Caribbean. There's no seatbelt, it's fine, relax. There he is.
Hey, Jack.
Measure him up for sure and no mistake.
Oh, there's Captain
Done by thunder.
Look, in the barrel,
Jack.
Oh, there he is. You're right. Okay, we're gonna do this little roller coaster, Barnstormer.
Oh, it looks so fun.
Look at this kid. Take him to Disney World and all he wants to do is catch geckos. Oh, there's Gaston's Tavern. What does he say, Brooke?
Yeah, I'm kind of a big deal around here.
So hot, I know. We're booking Splash Mountain. We watched the parade. We're gonna go to Big Thunder and then on to this because we are cooking. Spicy meatballs. Here's our train.
Partners, for your safety.
Logan, there's Santa. Merry Christmas. Oh, that's the thing. It's the wave after that gets you. Oh, here we go. Oh God.
I love you, child.
Oh man. Mommy got so wet.
I got a little wet. We went up in the air. We were up.
Tomorrowland. How cool is this place? Is that so nice? There it is.
Disability return or return to office? No, we're done. We don't have it.
Lightning Lane is amazing. This ride has a 2-hour wait right now. And we'll get on in 5 minutes. Delicious.
Oh, that seems spicy.
Churro. Chicken strips. This is the ride that Logan wanted to go on. We're gonna take this elevator all the way to the top and ride the Astro shuttles.
Brazos, pies y piernas dentro del cohete. Cuide a los pequeños.
Here we go.
First to the top wins.
First to the top. I'm pulling mine.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Woo!
That's awesome.
Whoa! How beautiful. So cool. How awesome.
It's so nice.
Oh, Star Command headquarters. Here we go. So who do you think's gonna beat Dad this time? Here, scan the tickets, Loke.
I got the only chance. It's a shooting game.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Game
Remember,
on.
all the flashing ones are a bit more. Here we go. We gotta beat Dad. Someone's gotta beat Dad. So fun. 95,000. That's probably the best score I've ever gotten. What'd you get? 95,000.
I got 10,000.
10?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, look. Look at Dad. Concentration.
What is it? Where's the scores? Does it say?
I'll take a picture
Look
of
at
it.
Rookie. Look at Luke.
Point to ours.
I did.
I got
Oh, you won?
131,000. Yeah, I
Of
think so.
course.
What'd you get?
95,000.
Oh my gosh, that's close there.
Look at all the cute little details. How cute is that? Holy, it's loud, eh? Are you ready to drive? Oh, fun. There goes Dad. There's Loki. Here's Luke's favorite ride. He's waiting for it all day. He's been asking for it.
Oh boy.
Unite.
Countries need to unite. Good job,
It's a
son.
small world.
Off to Neverland.
Whoa, look how high we are. Captain Hook. That's cool.
We get to walk through now. It was closed earlier. I think we're tapping out. We missed the fireworks a little bit. We did see them while we were on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which was pretty cool.
But I threw Brooks.
That for sure right there is the spot to take pictures of this castle. Look at how amazing it is now. Okay, well, we've only lost our children a handful of times today, so that's good. Logan, what was your favorite ride?
Seven Dwarfs.
Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. That was pretty awesome. Now, Luke, what was your favorite?
Space Mountain.
Space
No.
Mountain?
Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain was pretty fun.
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain?
Or Splash Mountain.
Mine was definitely Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. That was pretty awesome. What was your favorite ride, Dad?
Oh, it was definitely that dwarf ride.
Yeah, during the fireworks. That was pretty epic. It doesn't get any better than
Yeah,
that.
it was awesome.
So say goodbye to the Magic Kingdom. We're going
Magic
home.
Kingdom.
Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. See you another time.